Welcome to 620 Pottawatomie Trail on the highly sought after east side of Batavia. 4-bed, 3.5 bath, fully finished basement, almost 3,200 square feet. Come on in. Step inside your white, bright kitchen with stainless steel appliances, which opens up into your eating area, followed by your 2-story family room with 2 beautiful skylights to brighten up the day. Off the kitchen, you will find a gorgeous sunroom with floor-to-ceiling windows that opens up to an expansive brick paver patio, which is perfect for hosting barbecues and friends and family for dinner. Upstairs, you'll find an open hallway surrounded by 4 spacious bedrooms, a hall bath, and a gorgeous primary ensuite with a soaker tub, all Kohler finishes, a rain shower, and even heated floors. On the front of the home, you have an office with 3 beautiful windows and plenty of space to get your work from home done. Come on back to your own personal tiki bar here at 620 Pottawatomie. Who would not want to hang out with some friends, pop a bottle of nice bubbly or red wine, and hang out and have a great time?